everybody. Cali Rose here. We're learning Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain in my ukulele classes on Zoom with the CC Strummers. For both our beginners and intermediate players, because I factored in a solo in this arrangement. And our beginners will be doing a thumb roll that looks like this. And our intermediate players will be picking and choosing from various finger picking patterns, such as. And that's what we'll do on the solo, on the instrumental. But the song has a lot of little spaces in it, and so we can include melodic fills, and we'll be using those same finger picking and thumb rolling techniques there. So this offers some contrast between a strum pattern and something more fancy on the ukulele, and singing at the same time. Boy, are we multitasking here. I put this into a rock ballad groove, 95 beats per minute. Our starting note is a B, and my strum pattern, I'm just sort of gravitating towards the island strum, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. But you can do a down, down on each beat, or a down, up, down, up, down, up on each beat, or come up with your own ideas. Here we go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. In the twilight glow, I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember. Only memories remain. Through the ages, I remember blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. In a land that knows no parting, blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Wouldn't you love to play with the CC Strummers? Just check out my website. It's www.calirose.com. If you have questions, you can email me from my website as well. So thanks for tuning in, everybody, and happy strumming.